Good morning students, welcome to mathematics class. Today we will start with chapter number 4, that is exponents and powers. We have already done rational numbers as decimals. Today we will discuss about exponents of rational numbers. So, do you remember the exponent of integers? For example, 4 square. Here 2 is power or exponent and 4 is called the base. Similarly, in -5 cube, 3 is exponent and -5 is base. Similarly, the base can be rational number as well. For example, 4 upon 3 to the power 3. Here base is 4 upon 3 and exponent is 3. Similarly, -3 upon 5 to the power 6 or 6 upon 7 to the power 4. 6 upon 7 is base and 4 is exponent. Now let us solve some questions of worksheet 1. Write the base and exponent in each of the following. First part is -1 upon 3 to the power 3. So base is -1 upon 3 and exponent is 3. Similarly, in part second, base is -4 upon 7 and exponent is 6. Now question number second is express the following in exponential form. Exponential form means in power form. First part is 5 upon 6 multiply by 5 upon 6. Now we have to represent this in exponential form. Now see 5 upon 6 यहाँ कितने टाइम्स है? 2 टाइम्स है. So we can write in exponential form as 5 upon 6 to the power 2. Similarly, in part third, -7 upon 8 is repeated 3 times. So we write it as -7 upon 8 to the power 3. And in fifth part it is equals to 1.8 to the power 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 है. So 7 times. Question number 3 is express the following rational numbers as in the form of P upon Q. Now we have given this number in exponential form means 5 upon 6 to the power 3 हमें पावर में गिवन है और हमें P upon Q में इसको रिप्रेजेंट करना है. सो वी राइट इट एज 5 upon 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 upon 6 multiply by 5 upon 6. After multiplication we got 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125 and 6 6s are 36, 36 multiply by 6 is 216 and it is your answer. Now part second is -12 upon 13 to the power 2. So -12 upon 13 multiply by -12 upon 13. It is equals to 12 multiply by 12 is 144 upon 13 multiply by 13 169. Now question number 4 is express the following as powers of rational numbers. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में हमने पावर फॉर्म में था उसको रैशनल नंबर में कन्वर्ट किया था. अब इस क्वेश्चन में हमें रैशनल नंबर गिवन है यानी कि P अपॉन Q की फॉर्म में गिवन है और इसको पावर फॉर्म में लिखना है. So first of all, when we write prime factorization of 81, it is equals to 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply by 3, and then 625 is 5 upon 5 upon 5. Now 3 upon 5, 3 is repeated 4 times and 5 is repeated 4 times. So I can write it as 3 upon 5 to the power 4, and it is power form or exponential form. Similarly, in part second, minus 8 upon 125. Now see here minus sign है क्वेश्चन के आगे, so I can write it as minus 2 multiply by minus 2 multiply by minus 2 upon 5 multiply by 5 multiply by 5. It is equals to minus 2 upon 5 to the power 3. Similarly, you can solve rest of the parts of question number 1 to 4. Thank you and have a nice day.